Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran Can't Yo here, back again with another video. Today's video, I've got another tutorial for you. This time it's on like a tech tower to reverse double GT. Hopefully that makes sense. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. There's the tower, and there's the double GT. So this trick isn't actually too bad, but hopefully you enjoy learning it. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial, and this video is sponsored by yoyo UK. So you can use code Kieran5 for 5% off any of their yo-yos. To start off with, you're going to roll over both of your thumbs and then go into what is a Houdini mount, but with your thumb instead of your index finger. From here, you're going to pinch with your thumb and like this bit of your hand and create a slack. Then you're going to roll off, but like make sure to keep on by like using your middle finger, and then roll onto this string right here from the back. From here, you're going to rotate under. And then like, as you come under, place it your throw hand index finger into the mount. Drop that string on your index finger and then do a little semicircle. And this is how you like enter the green triangle. So from here, all you would do is pinch with your non-throw hand, drop this string off, and then do a little semicircle going towards your non-throw hand. And you should be in the green triangle, which you need to start this trick off with. Here, you're going to put your thumb in the mount like so. And you're actually going to put both of your thumbs in the mount. So you want it to look like this. Then you're going to grab this string with your non-throw hand index finger. And then place your index finger this side of the mount with your thumb to open it up. From here, you're going to push this like through the yo-yo, like so. And then when you get to this part, you're going to separate these two strings. From here, you're going to pull your thumb out of this string and then put whatever finger you want into that, really. And this is the initial mount you want to get into the tower. So you're going to pop the yo up over all of these strings and then land on this one like so. Then drop with your index finger. From here, you can drop everything besides your thumb and your like whatever's holding this bit up, and you should start to see a tower form. But to really get that tower to form, you're going to put your hand in and then push your middle finger down, and that should form the basic tower. Green triangle, you're going to want to do something a bit different for the dismount. So you're going to pop up, present, and then you're going to pop the yo off the back, and then you're going to roll your hand under, and you're going to pop the yo onto this string, and then you're going to put your non-throw hand on this string and then pull your wrist through, and now you can just pop from the back. That's the whole trick done, and I know it's not complex, there's just a lot you have to do with your hands. So I'll show you one more time, and be sure to look at the slow motions if you're not getting this trick down. Houdini mount, but with both thumbs in, pinch with your thumb and palm, drop the slack, roll into the slack, rotate round, green triangle, separate, like swing through, drop onto those strings, separate those two strings, pop onto the back string, roll and roll your hand through. Then you can pop out the back, put your hand through again, roll onto that front string, and pull through. Present your double green triangle, pop out the back, and then button. If you have any questions or comments, you can either comment them down below or message me at Kaale on Instagram, and I'll be sure to get back to you and help you learn this trick. Otherwise, yeah, peace.